Hey folks, you've all seen me do my leather finishing with the daubers and stuff, and it's pretty simple and easy to do. Today I'm going to be dip dyeing. I've got all my pieces cut out here for a wallet, so all I'm going to do is dip it in the leather, or in the dye. And then knock some of the dye off, set it down. And I just like to leave it kind of sitting there just for, I don't know, a minute or two, a couple seconds really. And then I'm just laying it out here on some of this craft paper that came from, I don't know, Walmart. It was in a package we got from Walmart, I think. If you're going to dip dye, I'm going to tell you now to do it in a well-ventilated area. I've got my door open in the shop here, so I'm pretty well covered here. When I take it out, I try to just handle it by the edges. And if you're afraid of getting dye on you, wear some gloves. I get enough dye on myself that I don't really care anymore. It's kind of one of those things. This is just a Tupperware container. Something that I can put a lid on. I just leave the dye in here. This is a, I think it's a medium brown. And it is a Phoebing's oil dye. I know I've always used alcohol dyes in the past, but I'm kind of getting to be a fan of this oil dye. It does leave the leather more pliable, and the oil dye, or the alcohol dye, tends to stiffen it up a little bit. So there we go. I got all my pieces dyed for the wallet. Dip dyeing is really simple. Just pour some dye into a Tupperware container. I do this a lot. It's a good way to get good coverage on your piece, and it's a whole lot faster than sitting there with a dauber. So stay safe. God bless. That's it in a nutshell. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.